How to get rid of water retention and bloating fast. Hey there, and welcome back to Basic Health Journey. Do you ever wake up feeling bloated or notice your rings feeling tight on your fingers? But don't worry, today we're diving into 7 proven and natural ways to reduce water retention so you can feel lighter, healthier, and more energized. Let's get started. Increase your water intake. It may sound counterintuitive, but drinking more water actually helps reduce water retention. When your body feels dehydrated, it holds onto excess fluids to compensate. Proper hydration also helps flush out excess sodium, which is a major contributor to water retention. How to do it? Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. If plain water gets boring, try adding lemon, cucumber, or herbal teas to keep it refreshing and hydrating. Reduce sodium consumption. Too much sodium causes your body to retain water, leading to bloating and puffiness. Processed foods are the biggest culprits, as they are loaded with hidden salt. Excess sodium intake also affects kidney function, making it harder for the body to eliminate excess fluids. How to do it? Cut back on processed foods, fast food, and salty snacks. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods and use natural herbs and spices like garlic, basil, and turmeric to flavor your meals. Increase your potassium intake. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in your body and promotes fluid balance, reducing bloating and excess water retention. It also supports healthy kidney function, which plays a key role in eliminating excess fluids from the body. How to do it? Eat bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach, and oranges to naturally boost potassium levels and support hydration. Pairing potassium-rich foods with a low-sodium diet enhances their benefits. Get moving and sweat it out. Exercise is a great way to eliminate excess fluids through sweat and improve circulation, preventing water retention. Physical activity also supports lymphatic drainage, which helps remove toxins and excess fluids from the body. How to do it? Engage in 30 minutes of exercise daily, whether it's a brisk walk, strength training, or yoga. Sweating helps your body expel excess fluids and toxins. Add natural diuretics to your diet. Certain foods and drinks have natural diuretic properties, which help your body flush out excess fluids and reduce bloating. These natural diuretics support kidney function and help balance fluid retention levels. How to do it? Incorporate cucumber, celery, dandelion tea, watermelon, and asparagus into your meals. Drinking green tea and hibiscus tea can also support the body's natural detox process. Adding parsley or lemon juice to your diet can provide additional diuretic effects. Avoid carbonated and sugary beverages. Fizzy drinks and excessive sugar can cause bloating and make water retention worse by disrupting electrolyte balance. Artificial sweeteners can also trigger bloating in some individuals, making it harder to maintain a healthy fluid balance. How to do it? Replace sodas and sugary drinks with herbal teas, coconut water, or infused water for a healthier hydration option. Opting for natural beverages helps maintain electrolyte balance and prevents fluid buildup. Prioritize sleep and manage stress. Lack of sleep and high stress levels increase cortisol production, which can lead to fluid retention and inflammation. Poor sleep can also interfere with kidney function, making it harder for your body to regulate fluid balance. How to do it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night and practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or light stretching before bed to reduce stress levels. And there you have it, 7 simple and effective ways to reduce water retention and bloating fast. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Let's keep building healthy habits together. Stay energized, my friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.